Have you ever wondered why some people seem to never run out of money, no matter what happens in the economy? It's not luck. It's not inheritance. It's a silent system the wealthy follow that most people never learn, until it's too late. Today we'll break down the silent money code. 5 principles rich people use to stay wealthy, even during financial storms. Scene 1. Principle number 1. Money moves quietly. Wealthy people don't brag about money. They position it. They invest silently. They compound quietly, and they let time make the noise. Their secret? Discipline over display. Scene 2. Principle number 2. Assets feed, liabilities bleed. Before they buy anything, they ask one question. Will this make me money or cost me money? Every dollar is a soldier. Assets create more soldiers. Liabilities destroy them. Scene 3. Principle number 3. Flow over fortune. The rich focus on cash flow, not one-time wins. They build systems that earn while they sleep. Digital businesses, real estate, or investments. The poor chase paychecks. The rich build pipelines. Scene 4. Principle number 4. Protection is power. The wealthy don't just make money. They protect it. They use insurance, trusts, and diversified portfolios to make sure one bad move doesn't wipe everything out. Scene 5. Principle number 5. Legacy over luxury. The poor buy luxury to feel rich. The rich build legacy to stay rich. Their focus? Teaching the next generation how money works, not just how to spend it. Closing scene. So, if you want to join the silent money circle, remember this. It's not about how much you make. It's about how you move it, multiply it, and manage it. Hit subscribe, because in the next video, we'll uncover the psychology behind money flow and how to think like a millionaire even if you're starting with nothing.